let's go through number B2. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, so here it says we have blah 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 blah. But we start with this one. Cyclopentene. So okay, for 5, you do this 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5. Okay, this is going to be your cyclopentane, but then now we want to make it cyclopentene, and we see that it is on position 1, the double bond, so we can have it like this. This is our cyclopentene, okay, and we can have our position 1 being here, okay. Then now what do we have? We have a 4 dimethyl. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, here 4. We're going to have a 4 dimethyl. So anyway, we could have it here. This is going to be as 2 CH3s because it's dimethyl. So it's going to be like this. CH3 CH3, okay? We just put, we don't have to really put the carbons there. Then here we have it's 1 4. Okay, it's 1 4, sorry, not 4. It's 1 4, so right on 1, that's where we have the other one like this, okay? So we have 1 coming in, then we have the other one doing this, coming out of there. And then what do we have? So this is position 1 and position 4. Then we have a 3 ethyl. So on number 3, we have an ethyl. So we can make it have 2 things like this. Okay. If you wanted us to put something, we could do this. Say CH3. Then say here, say CH2, CH3. Then here, we just put an arrow. We say CH3. I guess we could have it like this also. Okay, that's another way to put it. CH2, CH3. Then you can have it like this. Okay, now let's go to part B. We have buteno. Okay, so but is 4. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's position 2 here. So it's between 2 and 3. Like I said, you can't have it between 1 and 2. It would have been but 1 because it always takes the smallest number. So it'll be but 2. And then you see it saying O again. So on position 2 again, we have an OH. All right. So now, and then we have a 4 phenyl. Okay. So you must understand that when we say phenyl, it's not that we have 5 carbons attached. No, it's we have a like a circular thing, because if it was 5, there would be pentyl. Okay, but phenyl is a special name for when you have your nice benzene ring attached. So it's going to be on 4, and it's going to be like this. So here is your phenyl. Okay, and then it's on position 4, then 3 chloro. So on position 3, we have a chloro. So we'll put it like this. Then we have to see if it's going to give us an E. Remember, E, they'll be on different sides. So I'll go here to my double bond. I'll put my arrows, my dotted line like this. Okay, right, great. Then I'm going to see what is on the left side of the double bond. Remember, what is on the left side versus what is on the right. So on the left side, what do I have this carbon connected to? The carbon on the left, this one, it is connected to a carbon and an oxygen. Who is bigger? Oxygen is bigger. So here we have oxygen. Then to the carbon on the right, this guy, who is it connected to? A carbon and a chlorine. So who is bigger? Chlorine. So that means chlorine and oxygen should be on different sides of this. So I have to change chlorine and put him on a different side. So I'm going to put chlorine here. Then now they are on different sides of the dotted line. Then it's going to be E like this. Okay, so this is going to be good. This is going to be your structure. Okay, that's what it means. E just means they have to be on different sides of this dotted line here. All right, now we come to Z. Let's do numbers. Remember, Z is G-shame-shide. They're on G-shame-shide. So, okay, we start with this amine. What is it? It is an they're saying but 1 in 9. So when you see something say ending with yn, that's an alkyne. So here it's but, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then on position 1, it is an in. So on position 1, it has a double bond. Then on position 3, it has a triple bond. So on position 1, 2, 3, it has a triple bond. Then here, one amine on position 1, it has an NH2. Okay, and what else do I have? 2 methyl on position 2. I have a methyl, which is a CH3. Then 1 bromo, so on position 1, I have another Br. And they are G, it means on the same side. So remember, we take the carbon on the left. Who is bigger, nitrogen versus bromine? Okay, you can look at your periodic table. I'm going to go to it. And you're going to see that nitrogen is here with 14 and bromine is down here with 79. So bromine is bigger, so it's going to be this guy. Then we go to this carbon here. Who is it bigger, this carbon or this one? Of course it's this one because it is bonded to more carbons. Okay, so it's a bigger chain, so it's going to be this one and this guy. Are they on the same side of your thing? If I put something like this, okay, so here I can't say they're on the same side. So that means we're going to have to change bromine. Okay, so we're going to have to change. Then we will have our NH2 being up and Br being down. So yeah, I can have. Okay, and then I'll put this going down. So this thing will do this. And then yeah, you can have your bromine. And in here, that's where you're going to have your NH2. Okay, and here you would have your CH3. Then I go to part D. Then D, we have a phenyl ethanamine. So ethanamine, it's 2. And then on one of them, that's where we have an amine and H2. Then phenyl is attached on position 1 again. So on position 1, we have a phenyl. So, and then we say N-methyl. So on this nitrogen is a methyl CH3 and N-ethyl and N-ethyl. So it's going to be a CH2 CH3. So here is our nice stuff bonded to the carbon. Then E. Okay, so here we just killed the last thing, which is sec-butyl. I'm sorry for the thing. Ethyl ketone, okay? So what is my sec-butyl? You'll be having 4 things, right? But it will be connecting on the second carbon, not on the first. If it's connecting using the first, it's just the normal butyl. So this is a substituent, but it's connecting via the second carbon, okay? So sec-butyl, and then we have the 2 carbon ketone, and then it's going to be a ketone like this, okay? So it's an ethyl ketone like this, and then the rest you can put your hydrogens and stuff, okay? So this is just going to be what it looks like, and it's going to be the end.